embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. Here in Underground, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Rare Rabbit, and Rare Bear on their fun-filled adventure. Moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable. Like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness.
And enjoy the rest of your day here at the original Magic Kingdom, Disneyland.
You get out for some reason.
Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado tenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas. It reminds you of the happiest land of the world, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto its...
Get seated until the train comes to a full end here at the station.
Hi!